lang maghugas ng mga pinagkainan namin, guys. Katapos lang namin mag-breakfast. I have both kids today because Monday, walang school si Ayla. Not today, baby. You don't go to school today. You don't go to school tomorrow. But Wednesday, you're going to school. So I'm just cleaning up so I can start working. Huh? We're not going anywhere tomorrow, but today we can go. You can go to Daddy's work. Yes. Meron akong scan mamaya. 32 weeks today. And yeah, I have a ultrasound this afternoon. And hindi pwede bata dun eh. So Dan will take the kids to his work, guys, mamaya. You wanna check, baby? Let me finish wiping and then vacuum and then I'll start working. Mommy will start work a little bit. I'll try and edit.
Why you have to edit?
I have to work, baby. Because you guys are happy, so I can work.
Yummy,
Is that okay? Yummy? What's yummy?
Yummy baby.
Yeah?
Yummy apple.
Yummy aloe? Can we eat aloe? Sorry? Yeah, I'm cleaning up. Cleaning up your mess. Now let's work, guys. Let's try and get some work done while they're happy and making a mess. Oh. Meron akong video for tonight eh. Kailangan ko lang mag-edit ng thumbnail. And then after ko mag-edit ng thumbnail, I'll try and edit a video. That's right, yes. Nakapag-edit ako ng thumbnail, nakapag-edit ako ng 2 minutes worth ng vlog. And itong batang to, kumuha ng dress sa taas. Ito yung kinuha. This is gonna be a bit hard, especially if you need to go pee. So we'll go pick. There is a toilet there. That is work, yes. So can we choose something different? I'll help you. Alright, let's go. Hey, come on. Samahan ko lang to, guys, kasi yan na talaga yung susuotin niya kapag hindi natin pinigilan. Ang hirap niyan kapag umihi siya lang mag-isa. You coming with me? You wanna change too? Hold hands. Hold hands talaga dapat. Ha? Yeah. Magbihis ka na din, boy. Ang aga pa, boy. Huwag ka muna magbihis. Magla-lunch pa tayo. Come on.
Barbie.
Barbie? Where's Barbie?
Barbie's done.
Barbie's gone? Where did she go?
I like it.
You don't like it?
And then Barbie's and went to airport.
Ah, she went to the airport.
Barbie.
What did you do there?
I love Barbie.
Is that dry already, baby?
No.
If it's dry, we'll hang it on your ano.
It's dry. Feel it.
Oh yeah, that's dry, but I'm gonna fold that tomorrow. This one you can take. There, these are dry.
It's my own sleeve.
Yeah, just the handle so it's easier to.
With my hand.
This one's. Bukas na natin yun i-fold because Wednesday is laundry day again. Ang bilis ng panahon. Kaka-laundry ko lang, mag-laundry na naman ako.
Can you turn off this one?
Oh, can you turn it off, please? Turn the lamp off.
Why do we have to press the button?
Yeah, just press the button. There you go. Well done.
I'm pressing.
Alright, come on. What are you gonna wear?
I'm gonna wear pop 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 pop.
It's you can if you want. You want that one? That's better. And then just wear a
Hello, you want me
jacket.
to wear this? Hello, Jarvis. No, it's Spider-Man.
You wanna wear Spider-Man?
She's a Spider-Man.
Patay na, dalawa na yung namimili na naman.
Fine.
Okay, I'll let you wear Spider-Man.
It's not a good day today. I see.
You wanna take the look now? Alright.
No.
Okay, relax.
This can be Spider. How can be Spider? It's a long sleeve. Mom, that one's a long sleeve one.
Yeah. Are you gonna wear that to Daddy's work, Spider-Man?
Yeah, mine.
Nah, I think it will change.
Oh,
But you can wear that dress to Daddy's
oh,
work.
I
I think that's nice, yeah. That's a
And
good
I had to wear socks.
Yes, you have to wear socks.
But I want to wear princess shoes.
Alright, you can wear your stockings then.
Which one is it?
I'll show you. Alright, come on. This one. Here.
Oh, where's the
Are you Spider-Man? Hello?
Spider?
Yes. Right here.
No.
Where is your mask?
Up here.
Where's your mask?
He don't want the mask.
Just wait, I'll fix that.
He always take it off.
He does?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's Spider-Man.
Wrong way, baby.
No, it's
Gotta help me.
Spider-Man. It's
You are Spider-Man,
It's
boy.
Spider-Man.
You are
It's
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man.
Yeah, where is your mask?
The mask.
Where is
Well,
it?
where's
Is it
this
downstairs? That goes at the back, baby. So you
Yeah.
put it wrong, but that's okay. I'll help you. That's okay. Here. So just sleep. No. There you go. This is nice and soft.
You named it to me.
Holy. Yeah. Can you put your jumper in the basket? It's downstairs. We'll get it. Okay? It's not here. It's not here. It's downstairs. Yeah, it's not there. It's downstairs. Let's go find it. It's not there. See? It's not there. That's different. We'll go downstairs and find it. Okay? Let's go find it. It's not here. That's okay. Mommy will help you find it. I'm cooking lunch. Huh? No, you just have to wait 10 minutes and lunch will be ready. Luto lang tayo ng lunch, guys. You don't like it? Scratching your back? You don't like it? Yeah, we'll change it anyway. You have to change. Luto tayong corn norte with egg. Spider! Tapos after natin kumain, mag-ready na tayo. So, iniisip ko ba, alas 3 ako alis, hindi pala ako alas 3 alis. Dapat alas 3 nandun na ako sa parking lot na kung saan kami magmi-meet ni Dan. Diba? Hindi ko natapos yung edit ko because I need to cook lunch. And I was also playing with the kids in between. So habang nag-i-edit, pag hinila ako ng bata, syempre, my kids comes first all the time. So break na naman from editing, laro-laro hanggang sa saglit ng edit na naman ulit. So hindi ko siya natapos, but that's okay. That can wait. Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko to ng itlog. Lagyan ko ba to ng itlog? Parang mas masarap kung malagyan. So ano lang to? Onion, maraming onion. And then yeah, corned beef. Pasubuan ko lang yung aking mga kids so I don't have to hopefully clean up a lot of mess para hindi na masyadong makalat. Kasi kapag makalat, we will need to clean up again before tayo umalis. So, subuan ko lang kayo para walang kalat. So you're ready? You're just gonna wear a jacket and you're done. Alright, so now let's put the toys away so when we come back, our house is clean. Okay? Help Mama. Ready na kami guys. Si Arlo, after ko siyang bihisan, pinatulog ko. O diba? Akala ko kulang ako sa time. Haba pa pala yung time ko. Tulog na si Arlo. So, idiretso ko na yun sa car pag ready na talaga kami umalis. But yeah, let's put away everything. This is our fit for today. Zara cardigan, Uniqlo pants.
I'm going to Daddy's work today.
You are. You are going to Daddy's work.
I'm going to Daddy's work today.
Yeah, come on. Put all the teddies in the box.
You want to do basketball?
Basketball.
Yeah.
So pick the toys on the floor, please, baby. Thank you, baby. Good job, I love. Oh my gosh, this one is full, full, full. Again. Seriously? You okay?
Yeah.
And then the rest of the toys can go in the cabinet, baby.
What about this one?
Yeah.
I want to bring the elephant.
You wanna bring the elephant? Oh, bring.
I have an elephant.
Here, the dinosaurs go in that cabinet there. That's full. Counted. Almost done. Spider-Man. Bunny. Come on, baby.
I can close it. I made it.
Here, pick it up and give it to Mom. Thank you. And that one, please. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for helping. Here, and that one. Thank you. And then more there. Give it to Mom, please. Oh, you okay? Uy, here, go. It's okay, here. And there. Go. And Spider-Man. There's Spider-Man and another dinosaur on the floor, Bobby. And then we're almost done. Huh? Okay. Yeah, here. Pick it up, give it to Mama. We have 20 minutes and then we can go. And then that one, Spider-Man last one. Thank you. Thanks, babe. Oh, good in the hood. Well done. Easy. Oh, there's more? Alright. Pick it up. I can't see under the couch. So can you check under the couch for me, please?
It's a dinosaur under the house.
Yeah, can you grab it for Mama?
Mom, I don't miss my foot.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. My foot is very long.
Thank you. And that's it. Nice. Well done. Alright, let's go meet Dada. Ready, kids? Happy?
Yeah.
I've got Alu's shoes, I've got my pregnancy book, I've got my phone, I've got my Medicare, I've got my wallet. I'm good. Alright, let's go. Daddy's here.
Mommy.
Yeah, all good, Alo. Daddy's here, guys. You excited to see Dada?
Open this.
Oh, sorry. Silly mommy. You move in Daddy's car and then you go in Daddy's office, okay?
Daddy's office.
Yeah.
Like Daddy.
Daddy's work.
Like
And you be
Daddy
good there.
Pig.
Eh.
Yeah.
Does Daddy Pig work too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's down in the office too.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like my dad.
Uy, watch out, Ayla. Let go. Love you. Enjoy. Careful. Go straight in Daddy's car. Bye, Alo. Oh no, don't cry, Alo. Dito na ako guys sa car park. Ang aga ko, it's only like 3:13. Appointment ko 3:45. But okay lang kasi nasa car park ako. Tapos lalabas ako. Papasok sa hospital. And yeah. Oh good. Layo-layo pa yung lalakarin. So we're on time. Ang cool naman ng car na to. Nasa 4th floor ako ha. 4th floor. 4th floor. Kasi ako na talaga ang laging naliligaw sa car park. 4th floor. Ayan. 4th floor. 4th floor. Tapos paglabas ko dito, doon ako sa left. Ay, right pala. Doon. Okay. O, diba? Nakalimutan ko yung ticket ko. Parking ticket. Buti na lang may note doon sa elevator. Do not forget your ticket because you have to pay downstairs. Good job talaga. There you go. Got it. And I'm back in the car. I paid for the parking as well. So that's good. Cold. Cold, 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 cold. Sun is out, but it's cold. And ito lang yung suot ko eh. Cardigan lang talaga. Kanina okay na okay. Ngayon, ang lamig-lamig na. Alright, I have time. Punta akong The Good Guys para bilhin yung matagal ko nang gustong bilhin. Yung spot cleaner guys. Pangpalinis ng carpet. Pangpalinis ng couch. So, we'll go do that. I texted daddy already. And baby's doing all good. Everything's good. Oh my gosh, ang bobo-bobo ko pa naman sa parking. Saan na naman tayo i-exit dito? Hindi ako nawawala sa labas, pero pag sa parking lot, doon ako nawawala. Let's go to Good Guys. We will make it. It's only 4:18, tapos 5:30 sila magko-close. 22 minutes.
Starting route to the Good Guys Hectorville. Proceed to Commode Street, then turn right.
Alright guys, see you later. And we're here. I'm parked right in front. Let's get what we need guys. Dito siya sa harap oh. This is what I'm looking for. Kaya lang, meron kasi silang bagong version nito. I wanna know kung ano yung kaibahan. Tingnan natin yung iba. Like yan yung bago ata. Turbo. Professional style cleaning. Huh? Wait. So yung isa, $249. Ito, $379. Large capacity tank, 1.5 hose, scrubbing action. Auto interiors, auto. Oh hi, I'm back in the car. I'm just gonna go quickly to Kohl's, get bread and strawberries, and then Kmart, check ko lang yung press on nails nila kasi natanggal na yung isa guys. And then home. Let's go! In the car again. I'm heading home now. I just got ako na talaga ang bumili ng 3 packs of press-on nails. And yung mga almond naka $2 na lang. $2 na lang to. And then ito $5. Mura pa din ha. And then yung Amazon order ko kasi darating sa 5 pa. August 5. Ano pa lang tayo ngayon, guys? July 29. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa siya. And yung meron ako from Cali Beauty, ang ikli niya talaga. Nakikita talaga yung ano ko. Yung nails ko. Tapos, nag-grow pa yung nails ko. So, mas lalo siyang kikita. So, bumili lang ako ng medyo mahaba ng konti. Mura lang naman sa Kmart. And I just got the bread and the strawberries from Kohl's. And now, we're ready to go. Home to the fam bam. Aray. Kasi naiihi na din ako. Anong kakainin ko sa dinner? Si Daddy mayroon ng ano eh, magbe-bread and sausages daw siya. Me, I don't know. Ay, let's go guys. Bahay na tayo. Naka-ready na ang mga foods. Pagdating ko may kausap si Dan, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog, but nagluto na ako guys. Nalutoan ko na siya ng sausage, tapos yung onion niya, and then naluto ko na din ito. This is my din-din. Lettuce and rice. Konti lang yung rice ko, so nagdagdag ako ng lettuce para maubos natin ang ating pork. And then ito lang yung, ano yun? Basta yung Korean na sauce. Kain tayo. Ang gusto kong magkamay na, ewan ko. Parang sarap kamayin nito da. Kakamay ako, babe. Tapos na kumain ng kids. Kakamay, babe. I use my hands malang. Are you okay there? Ayun, kay Dan. Iba kami ng mga ulam. That's Danny boys. Lalagyan pa yan ng mga sauce. Alright guys, I did my nails again. Looks way better than last time. We'll see. Sabi ni Dan, sana nagpa-nails ka na lang. Ilang beses mo na yan inulit. Sabi ko nga. Pero ito, mas mahaba na siya. Mas okay na siya tingnan. Wala nang lumalagpas na sarili kong kuko. Or skin ko. It looks good. Ayan. It's still not perfect. I'm still learning. But, parte ito ng practice ko. It looks good. I like it. Nice. Alright. Let's go, kids. Si Arlo, nauna na naligo. Naligo sila ni daddy niya. Hmm? Did you brush your teeth or not yet? Come on, Ella, let's brush your teeth.
Are you my treasure? The answer is yes. Was that a nice book? The end.
You like that, Ella?
I like that book. That was a good book.
More stories.
I want more stories.
You want more stories?
Yeah. Tell me the tea here.
Okay. That's daddy.
Tell me the tea here.
Huh? What do you want?
More books.
More books. Yeah, you can have a book.
These are too heavy. How you
She wants to move the